Hello, Troy here with Filevine. I wanted to show you how having your customer names be consistent and accurate can save a lot of time when you start using tools like Expensify or other types of financial reporting tools. So this is Expensify. I wanted to show you, let me show you the magic first. If you go to expenses, you can scroll down and find an expense, and these expenses are automatically pulled in from a credit card statement. So nothing to enter. In fact, I can't even change the amount. No mistakes and double entry. Everything's there. If you forward a receipt from email, it actually matches that receipt based on the vendor and the amount and pulls it in. And then in terms of categories, these categories come right out of the chart of accounts of QuickBooks. And more importantly, something that we've renamed called case. It shows all of the cases that are synced directly from QuickBooks. And those cases are accurate because they come directly from Filevine using our Filevine to QuickBooks connector. So you want to see how this is done and what the configuration looks like? Because this is wonderful. There's a mobile app that looks the same way. There's other tools that have very similar functions. And so you can imagine what that would look like using those two. So in policies, we can set up a connection to QuickBooks. So this is connected to QuickBooks Online. It's synced 4 hours ago, and it automatically syncs when there's changes and pulls in that chart of accounts information. And customers, the chart of accounts are called categories. So if we view all of those, you can turn them on and off. By turning them on, they show up as an available category for expense reports. Otherwise, you can leave them off. And then tags are the feature inside Expensify that we call cases. So we just rename that to case, and you can see all of the cases that are synced automatically. So whenever you get a new project in Filevine that goes into a phase where you want to start incurring and tracking expenses, everything else is automatic. It creates the customer in QuickBooks, and then based on that, that customer is then available in your expense reporting tool, such as Expensify. I don't work for Expensify. There's no connection to it. I just wanted to show you what that can look like to have all your customer names consistent.